everyone. We will continue with the facility planning. Earlier we discussed about the hotel design. Now we will continue with the systematic layout planning. Systematic layout planning is the organized way to plan, or we can say the conduct a layout planning. It consists of framework of phases. Phase means where how we will do the work, and add the pattern of procedure means the procedure means the way we will do the work, and the set of convention of identifying, rating and visualizing the elements and areas involved in planning a layout. Identifying and rating means how to use the maximum utilization and how it will be run in actual and reality. So that is we do the systematic planning in the framework has strictly the layout planning for any facility rearrangement involve creating a general overall layout and subsequently a detailed layout. General overall layout means it is the random, we can say the idea of how we will do we do the construct a layout in not in simple manner, and or to classified general layout in each and every section, and so we can do work more on detail of each and every section, so that could be a detailed layout. Okay, in the phase, both phase, in phase 1 when we do the general layout, and phase 2 means we do the detailed layout. After the phase 2 and 3, so both the pattern which we follow the essential. Okay, the essential means every layout has the three fundamental. First, relationship is the relative degree of closeness. Okay, closeness of desire and requirement among things means if you ask for the if you see the restaurant and the kitchen usually are close to each other, so that's why they planned in such manner that they can adjoin both of things. Space means that amount of kind and shape and configuration, so that thing being laid out means how much space we should allot and how will we do the work in that area. So again, if you talk about the kitchen and same the restaurant, so to whom we will need to go much more space and how we will go to giving the space. That is adjustment is the arrangement of things, and realistic is best for. Adjustment means after being a general layout being we can say the draw the general overall layout. So adjustment means to try to give a significant adjustment, so the both relatively can happen, means relationship and the space can be happened. The SLP pattern means the systematic layout planning pattern. Okay, so the space requirement, first requirement, there are developed forms to analyze the process, the machinery, the equipment. Okay, means and the service means space requirement, how much space the layout, or we can say the section will have. Means so we have already have the idea of machinery, equipments, and idea about the service facilities. So according that the area requirement may be balanced against the space available. How much space available we have, and how much we can afford to. So then the area allowed to for each and activity on the activity relationship diagram from space relationship diagram. Again we talk about the three fundamental bases: relationship, space and adjustment. So before how much space we required, we will do the relationship and the space, that called be space relationship diagram. Means how we will do the work and how much space we will required and how much we have available. So after the making the relationship diagram, the essential means the next phase will happen the layout. Okay, the effective layout utilize the adjustment and the manipulate the integrate with the space and modifying consideration. This indicates as a basic consideration as the handling method, operational practice, and the storage scheduling. Means if you want to create a operational handling and making a store in that, so that is called be an adjustment part of the space relationship. Okay, as each potentially good consideration of idea, this feature has been throughout and the tested again in a practical way. Means we will try to our best to what going to be suitable for the layout. Okay, as the integrated adjustment of various modified consider, means after the adjusting we do the modified consideration and the limitation are worked out. Okay, means we after the finalizing the adjustment, okay, that we are making the alternative, right? First we for systematic layout, first we know try to know what kind, how much space we have available, right? After the space availability we try to make a space which is acquired by the machineries, equipment and service operating. And third is relationship, means the flow of material and the operating procedure and practices will happen that section. Then we try to combine them, that called be space relationship, and we do the adjustment in that. Okay, after that adjustment we make a alternative, we can say the consideration, means we can do okay, consideration means we make a 2-3 alternative and we try to figure out what could be best in that. Okay, so that condition and limitation for each and every layout it will be different. So that is the, we can say the we made the alternative layout. Okay, the idea that have practical value which is can be retained and can be seen as worthy, so we choose from that. So that could be a, we can see that we ended up 2 or 3 alternative layout proposal, each of them we will work out each is value. Okay, at the end of the point we do the cost analysis of some kind of, should be a purpose of comparison and justification. So in the addition we can say that evaluation of intangible factors and also be made. This is called the evaluation of the alternative, means each and every alternative layout we go to be check. So after the we choosing the beneficial layout, it could be our selected layout which is general overall layout. So that could be happen with the SLP. So that is how the systematic layout planning worked. Thank you.